we are going to be unboxing the limited edition Bath and Body Works Mother's Day box.
We got make a dance couple time, girl, take my picture. I take a fuck up in your.
What's up, guys? I am Shania Shayon and welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog, we are going to be unboxing the limited edition Bath and Body Works Mother's Day box. So you guys stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna see what all is inside of this box. I cannot wait to see. Let's check it out, you guys. All right, so you guys, now I already peeped a little bit, but I'm gonna show you guys what's in here, okay? First of all, let's start with the packaging. The packaging is so cute. It's meant to look like a little basket, and it comes with these little handles, y'all. So freaking cute. And it has Happy Mother's Day on there, and all the little bees and flowers. I just love it. I love it. I love it. It's nice and floral and feminine, and I just think it's so pretty. I was so excited when I got it. It's one of those things where you don't even really want to open it because it's so cute. I will be keeping this, okay? I will be keeping this box. So first of all, I like the way it opens. You can open it and snatch it off, but you can also open it on the sides just like a basket. Like, get into that. So you can literally open the sides just like a basket. It's so freaking cute. And then you just slide this off. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. I will be doing like a short form unboxing of it as well as my YouTube shorts, okay? So let's get into it and see what we got. So first up, we have the Gingham Gorgeous. I love anything Gingham. I've smelled this before and I love it. I like the one that comes in the blue bottle as well. Oh yeah, ooh. That smells so good. It smells like amber and strawberry. It smells really good. So this is pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blooms. And it smells just like that. Nice and perfect for spring. Definitely a perfect Mother's Day gift. Definitely a perfect Mother's Day gift. I love that, and I know my mom would love that. It also came with the matching lotion. And I love their lotions because they have the ultimate hydration. So this has a lot of shea butter in it, which I love. So good. Like, y'all, I love the way that feels on my skin. Okay, super hydrating. Smells amazing. So you get both of those in the set. You get the spray as well as the lotion, which I love. Let's see what else we got. Okay, guys, so we also got this little box in here. So let's see what's in this. I was super excited to get this. Bath and Body Works always has the best gift boxes for the holidays. Like, all you gotta do is get me a gift box and I'm happy. They have the cutest gift bags and everything, but this box, the moms wanted this box and I got one. I was so excited. So shout out to my girl Patty and my son's godfather Bruce for getting this for me. I was super excited. So, oh, I have a wallflower and it has a cute bee on it. I love that it matches the box. The box has all these cute little bees on it as well. That is so cute. Going right in my living room. And it came with the scent, Fresh Cut Lilacs, which I love. It's just nice and floral, a very floral but clean, which I like. So yeah, so you get that set and you get this set. Like, that is so good. That is so good, y'all. And this would have already been about $40-something. So, okay, you're getting a deal. You're getting a deal when you get the sets. And then I got the Fresh Cut Lilacs antibacterial. So I love that. Cannot go wrong, especially with all this stuff we got going on, honey. I want all the antibacterial. So that is super cute. And we got more. Oh, that's cute. So this must go with the antibacterial. So this is a cute little holder, y'all, and it mimics the box. It looks just like the box. It's a little basket with the strawberries. And it has a little blanket. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So that is for my sanitizer, and I cannot wait to put that on my keychain. Like, I cannot wait. That is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. So I think it goes like this, yeah. We're gonna put this on here, y'all. Yeah, I think that's how, I hope that's how it goes. Yeah, gotta go upside down. So boom. Perfect. That is gonna be so cute. I'm gonna put that on my purse. I love it. Okay, Bath and Body Works, you're showing off. This is cute. And we not done. We also have a candle, and this is the Fresh Cut Lilacs candle. Okay, so you get the Fresh Cut Lilacs candle, you get the wallflower, and you get the antibacterial. That's really, really, really good. Oh, smells amazing. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like fresh cut flowers, but not too floral. You know, sometimes floral can stink a little bit, but this actually smells very light and good. Going in my living room. Going in my living room. I love that. Bath and Body Works really, 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 really did that big one with that. Really did that big one with that. So I just really wanted to show you guys this box. Like, I heard that the day it like went on sale, like they were sold out. You could not get them anywhere. So I was super, super, super excited when my homegirl said she got me one. I opened that bag and I was hyped, okay? So shout out to Bath and Body Works. Y'all, make sure you check this out. Like, this is a steal. You get the spray, the lotion, the wallflower scent, the cutest wallflower. Like, oh my gosh. So if you have this available and it's not sold out, go get it. Go get it. If not, then make sure you guys take advantage of like the limited edition boxes, the gift boxes, the gift bags, because you usually get some really cute stuff that you can't find online, or it's always sold out in stores. You get the little pocket bacterial, which you need, and you get a big candle, not a little one, a big candle. So that is so worth it. This smells so good. I cannot wait to put it right on that table, okay? I'm gonna light this, and that's gonna make my house smell so good. So again, I hope you ladies had an amazing Mother's Day. You guys stay tuned, I'm back. I did have to take a little break just to, you know, get myself together. But I am back. I will be doing another haul. I think I'm gonna do a Mother's Day haul with all the gifts and stuff that I got from my son, my friends. It was amazing. I had a very chill, relaxed Mother's Day in, so I loved it. I got all these beautiful flowers. So pretty. I got those and these. And then that big plant back there, my son actually got me, I'm big on plants, and he got me a Birds of Paradise, okay? So you guys stay tuned. I will be doing a Mother's Day haul. I hope you guys had an amazing Mother's Day. Kiss your mom. To the ones that don't have their mom, I am sending you extra, extra, extra love and hugs. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Stay tuned, y'all. Bye, guys.